Hi, it's Alyssa from Online Fabric Store. Do you like apples? Ditch the plastic produce bags at grocery stores. Here's a super easy way to make reusable produce bags. So let's get started.
The materials you will need are hex mesh, blind cord, a safety pin, clips, scissors, a ruler, thread, and a sewing machine. Cut a rectangle out of the hex mesh that is 32 by 12 inches. Fold the hex mesh in half and clip up the sides. Sew both sides of the bag. Fold the top edge over 1 inch and clip. Sew the channel all the way around. For a regular drawstring bag, you would keep an opening on both sides, but that is not necessary for this bag because of the material it is made out of. Turn the bag right side out. Cut 2 pieces of cording that are 30 inches. Attach a safety pin to one end of the cording. Thread the cording through one side of the bag and then through the other. Tie it off with the other side of that length of cording. Thread the other piece of cording using the same method, but start on the opposite side of the bag. Tie off the cording, and now your bag is complete.
These bags are a sustainable alternative to traditional plastic produce bags. So how do you like them apples? Thanks for watching this OFS project. Like and subscribe to our channel for more crafting videos, tips, and tricks. See you next time.